Imagine buying a snack from a vending machine. You put in money, press a button, and the machine instantly gives you your chips or soda. No shopkeeper, no waiting, no arguments. That's exactly what a smart contract does in blockchain. It runs the agreement automatically when the conditions are met. Hi, I am Satish Choudhary and welcome back to In Simple Terms with Satish. In our last episode, we talked about mining, the race where computers solve puzzles to add new blocks and keep the network safe. Today, let's explore smart contracts, self-running agreements that remove the middleman. So what is smart contract? At its core, it's a piece of computer code stored on blockchain. Instead of lawyer or bankers making sure both sides keep their word, the code itself enforces the rule. It follows simple if-then logic. If this happens, then that happens automatically. For example, imagine hiring a freelancer online. A smart contract would hold the payment and release it the moment the freelancer uploads a finished work. No delays, no chasing invoices, no arguing over trust. The blockchain ensures the rules are followed exactly. Think of it like a train ticket. If you have a valid ticket, the gate opens automatically. If not, it stays locked. There is no guard deciding. The system just works based on clear conditions. In real life, smart contracts are already being used. In real estate, they can handle property transfers without endless paperwork. In insurance, payouts can trigger automatically when conditions are met, like if a flight gets cancelled. In supply chain, smart contract releases payment the moment goods reach a verified checkpoint. And in creative industries, artists can get royalties every time their song or artwork is sold because the smart contract sends them their share instantly. Technically, smart contracts live on platforms like Ethereum, where developers write them in special programming language such as Solidity. Once deployed, they can't be changed, which makes them powerful, but also risky if the code has a bug. That's why audits and testing are so important before launching a smart contract into the wild. So in simple terms, smart contracts are digital agreements on the blockchain. They are like vending machines for trust. If the rules are met, the outcome happens automatically. No middlemen, no delays, no excuses. In our next episode, we'll look at public versus private blockchain, the difference between open network, anyone can join, and closed one built for businesses. Thanks for listening to In Simple Terms with Satish. Subscribe, share this with a friend, and join me again as we continue to make the complicated simple. Thank you.